Good morning. Today I'm looking at two machines that I installed. These machines have been on a monthly planned maintenance program, which basically I'm wiping down the door seals. I take a rag and wipe down the door seal. I lubricate all my hinges. And I wipe down the sides and top of the washer with WD-40. Make sure my screens are clean. And I put 2 pumps of lithium-based grease into each of those Zerk fittings while the machine is in spin. So if you look at these machines, you probably can't guess how old they are. First, let me tell you that these machines are on a farm. It's not a clean environment, but because of how they're maintained, these machines are actually 3 years old this month. The other thing I do for these machines, which is very important, which I don't see many people do, and it will make your life much easier in the future, is as you spray these machines down and wipe them down with WD-40, see how shiny they are? Hit any area, including your valves, where there's water or condensation. Even in this setting, as you can see, these valves don't look that old. You don't see corrosion on them. Yes, there is some dirt on them because of the environment that they're in, but these valves will work. They will open and close. You can get these hoses off if you need to and change them. They aren't frozen up. You won't have to change the valves if you need to do some work on it. Spray these with a little bit of WD-40 when you clean your machine down at least once a month. You will see a noticeable difference. Your valves will last longer. They will be easier to service. So this is Daryl Woodrick, service tech for the laundry industry, recommending WD-40 to wipe down your machines. And you can keep them looking and running in pristine condition.